Hello, tattoo lovers. Welcome back to the official channel of Tattoo Studio. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? That feeling that no matter how dark it gets, there is always a light guiding you? Today, we are celebrating exactly that. We've curated a massive collection of 79 brand new, trending, and unique moon and star tattoo designs specifically chosen for charming girls who want to express their cuteness and the bright shine of their future. The moon represents femininity, phases of growth, and mystery. The stars? They are your goals, your dreams, and the guidance you need to reach them. Whether you are looking for something tiny and hidden or a bold statement piece, we have sorted these 79 designs perfectly just for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's find the perfect ink to match your sparkle. Let's dive into the first category. This is our tiny and timid minimalist collection. In the world of tattoos, sometimes less is more. These designs are perfect for first-timers or for anyone who wants a subtle reminder of their inner light. A simple, fine-line crescent moon sitting delicately on the collarbone. It's elegant, it's chic, and it screams quiet confidence. A tiny star on the ring finger or a micromoon on the inner finger is incredibly cute. It's like wearing permanent jewelry. These designs symbolize that even the smallest steps contribute to your future success. At SWASTHIK Tattoo Studio, our artists specialize in single needle techniques to ensure these tiny lines stay crisp and don't blur over time. It's for the girl who refuses to be boxed in. And look at Design 25. It looks like a literal galaxy on your skin. These tattoos are incredibly charming and soft. They capture the cuteness perfectly by softening the harsh black ink with dreamy vibes. If you are an artist, a dreamer, or just someone who loves a pop of color, ask your swastik artist for a watercolor finish. It adds a layer of magic that makes your future look bright and colorful. Let's sharpen the focus. Designs 31 through 45 are for the modern, structured, and goal-oriented woman. Welcome to the geometric and fine line category. These designs mix the organic shape of the moon with the rigid perfection of geometry, circles, triangles, and arrows. Design 34 is a masterpiece. The moon encased in a diamond shape. This symbolizes protection and value. It says, "My future is precious, and I am protecting my peace." Number 40 incorporates arrows with stars. An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. So when life drags you back with difficulties, it means it's going to launch you into something great. This tattoo is a reminder of that trajectory. These designs require a very steady hand, which is why SWASTHIK Tattoo Studio is the perfect place to get them. Our line work is precise, ensuring your geometric tattoo looks perfect from every angle. What happens when you mix the celestial with the botanical? You get pure magic. Instead of a solid black line, the crescent moon is formed entirely out of tiny rosebuds and leaves. It represents growth, blooming, and the beauty of nature. It's incredibly feminine and soft. This is for the girl who is grounded on earth but looking toward the heavens. These are perfect for placements like the forearm, the thigh, or the shoulder blade. They flow with the curves of your body. If you want to express your cuteness in a way that is timeless and sophisticated, a floral moon is the way to go. These don't just look like tattoos. They look like permanent accessories. Think of dangling charms, dotted chains, and chandelier effects hanging from the moon. It features a crescent moon with delicate beaded lines dripping down, holding tiny stars. It looks beautiful on the sternum or the back of the neck. It's elegant, it's sexy, and it adds a royal shine to your future. Incorporates mandala patterns inside the moon. This represents the universe and wholeness. It's for the girl who is spiritually connected and seeking balance in her life. At SWASTHIK Tattoo Studio, we love customizing these. We can add your birthstone color to the jewels in the tattoo to make it uniquely yours. A silhouette of a girl swinging from a star. This is the ultimate symbol of the video's theme, the shine of your future. It shows that the sky is not the limit. It's your playground. These designs remind you to never lose your inner child. They are charming, unique, and guaranteed to make you smile every time you look in the mirror. And there you have it, 79 incredible, trending, and unique moon and star designs sorted perfectly for you. From the tiny minimalist stars to the intricate floral moons, each of these designs carries a promise of a bright, shining future. Remember, a tattoo is a permanent piece of art, and you deserve the best artists to bring it to life. We invite you to SWASTHIK Tattoo Studio. Come in with your favorite design from this video, or let us create a custom number 80 just for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found your dream tattoo, and subscribe our channel Tattoo 18 for more ink inspiration. Shine bright, stay cute, and we'll see you at the studio.